Blackie's crying. I know, we're going. You gotta hold on. We're right across the street from the casino. There is a nature center, and the river's right here.
And this is the river walk or whatever.
River walk. It's just a concrete walk that goes, about a mile down to another parking lot where the casino used to be, and then they moved it for some reason. I don't know. I didn't live here back then.
So we're taking the kids for a walk.
Yeah. After the walk, we're going to go probably eat at the casino buffet. And then if it's still open, we're going to go into the nature center. I think I was in there a long time ago and they built it 5-6 years ago or something, but I don't remember it. Candace said there's a what? There's a mammoth.
Oh yeah.
A woolly mammoth, I guess, when you go in.
Walk in the door, and like a big, huge wolf. I mean, get out of the water.
I want to look out here. It's Missouri River, Mighty Mo. It is pretty mighty. It's not real huge right here. It's not really too high, I don't think. Are you training, Annie?
Yeah.
For the Olympics?
Trying to learn.
Training for the walking Olympics?
And walk. She's good enough to learn it. She just has to try.
Them huge power lines. That's giving us cancer as we speak.
Yeah.
Hey, that's what some say.
Hey, there's
And
river walk rules here.
There's people on YouTube that say the earth is flat, so why can't power lines give us cancer? Huh.
I guess, yeah.
Come on now.
This was all underwater. What, when,
Oh.
2005? When was that?
Yes, yeah, not too long. This has been underwater a few times now. Yeah,
On that train?
yeah, that's it.
That's how high it was?
Yep. I don't know if you can see it.
No, that whole parking lot would
Yes,
be underwater.
no, it wouldn't. This is a hill.
Lines, look.
Exactly.
On the poles
Exactly.
there, on the concrete.
That's why they built it on stilts, because this could flood. We're not very high from the river right now. We're dipping down. That's a pretty neat building, though.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, bridge ahead. Proceed slowly and in single file. Okay. Huh. They washed out.
Oh my gosh. Holy
Yeah, this used to go out quite a bit farther here.
Whoa.
Quite a bit.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, Blackie, get back.
Trunk just broke off. Look at the sidewalk.
Whoa.
That's crazy. That had to be huge.
That is crazy. It's back about a foot or so, maybe more in some spots. It could be 2-3 feet.
That is crazy.
Yeah, this used to go out about to where, I think,
Water just took it.
about to where them rocks start, I think. Maybe even a little farther. Water is powerful. It takes what it wants. Wow.
Crazy.
Wild.
None of that was like that.
That sign didn't used to be there, did it? Where it said single file? Why would you go single file across this big bridge?
Whoa, here.
There's all
This is
the
a neat bridge.
rainwater.
I like this bridge. Cool. That water rushing in.
It's all the rainwater. Look at all that. That's flood debris. We haven't flooded in what? I don't know, it's got kind of high here last year. It didn't flood, but it got pretty high.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a bunch of geese. Blackie will get them.
What is that, Blackie? Huh?
Annie's gonna get them.
What are you gonna do?
You gonna get them, Annie?
They're chilling.
I don't think you could catch them, guys. You can try. Blackie would. He'd run right in the water after them. I don't know if Annie would do the water. Maybe. I don't know.
Annie, there's a ball down there.
You ain't getting that ball.
I like hearing the water. Just, it's relaxing.
I want to camp on the beach next to the ocean. I'm going to be a snowbird. Hopefully we just spent our last cold winter in Missouri. That is the plan. Hopefully. Yeah. That's kind of a neat little beach.
Yeah.
Wanna go swimming, guys? Huh, Annie?
No
Becky?
way. They just took a bath. They'd be stinking.
Oh yeah. River stank. What do we got? Missouri and Kansas Indians. Huh. Yeah, this is like a Lewis and Clark National Historic Trail.
Well, this was a big trade state, or I mean not
City.
city. Yeah, St.joe.
Yeah, everybody knows. Well, I mean, some of you might not know, but St. Joseph is where the Pony Express started. The mail route to the west and stuff. But yeah, there is a lot of history here.
Up here, I think there's a sign that says like.
I just figured everybody knew. I guess not. I have no idea. I mean, I guess I never really heard of all the history before I moved here, but I mean, I was kind of young.
I didn't think there was anything special about this town. I thought it was just a small town close to Kansas City, but actually back in the day, this was where it kind of started.
Yeah.
Because we are right by the river. It's the trade. That's where everything starts.
Well, Kansas City's by the river too, but
Yeah.
I don't know if Kansas City is older or not. I'm not sure.
There's a bad fire here. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, you can see all the bottoms of the trees, and some of them is burned there. Look at the old building.
It's a little cabin.
It's an old wood cabin back there by the tracks. The trail don't go by there, does it?
Surely there's something.
Is this the only trail? It just goes down and back?
Yeah.
You got to turn around?
Uh-huh.
Well, what is that?
I don't know.
There's double bridges. Can't see them. I see a mosquito following me though.
What? Get out of here.
That was a mosquito.
This used to be water over here, and there's a little.
Oh yeah, that used to be like marsh.
Walk out on.
It's fresh concrete. Somebody put a bee in it. Whoever bee is, it's not appreciated. You see that, Annie? Who's bee, Annie? Get him. Find him. There's a overlook, but there is no wet anymore. I don't know where the wet went, but this used to all be like look like marsh. It was just water with grass sticking out. And I don't know what happened. We've had what do you call it? Lake Contrary dried up too, which is I don't understand how that happens. I guess the world's running out of water. I don't get it. But it was a good sized lake too, and just over the past 10 years it's just dried up. And now there's just dead fish everywhere and no water.
It says there's beaver, wood duck, and snipe here. I could see that.
Okay, this has wetland inhabitants. It's supposed to have wood ducks, snipe, and beaver. And now it's going to get loud because there's one of the trains I was talking about. I think I said something about the trains. I don't know. We slept. The RV's about this far from the train down in the parking lot, maybe a little farther. And for some reason, they blow their horns when they go by the casino. And the road to the casino is a bridge that goes over the tracks. You don't cross. None of the traffic to the casino is crossing the tracks. So I'm not sure why they blow their horns. Maybe they're messing with us. They're saying, "Look at that RV. There's probably somebody sleeping in there." You'll hear it in a second. They're getting about down there. Now watch, they're going to make me liars, and this one won't do it.
That's funny.
And every single train has blew their horn. He's not blowing it. I don't understand. That's the first one, and they go by about every 20 minutes or so. Or last night they did anyway. I don't know. I could have swore I heard one this morning, but why would they only blow it at night?
Because when I got up to go to the bathroom, well, it was like early morning, and I heard it.
He's stopping. That's why he's not blowing his horn. He's stopping to let another train by. The train that's getting ready to pass going the other way will probably blow its horn.
I was trying to think of the guy's name before we got to the sign. I think that might be it.
The guy?
Yes.
The founder of St.joe?
I think so. I kind of read this stuff once.
Look at that house. Oh, there's a couple of them. But this
Oh,
one
that's
to
nice.
the right, it's got a big landscape yard.
Wow.
Oh, there's one way down there through the trees. Probably can't see it on camera, but it looks like the deck is like jutting out.
William Clark. No, that ain't it.
Joseph S. F. H. Bush.
It's William. Oh, portrait by.
Oh, his name is William Clark. That's not the founder. After the expedition, William Clark was appointed Indian agent for the Louisiana Territory and the Brigadier. I don't know.
It's a guy with like a poofy shirt.
A poofy shirt. That train stopped quick.
It's crazy. That tree falling in the water.
That's neat. It'll go soon.
It's hanging on.
Look at the other one starting to lean.
Walking.
They don't care if there's mud. They said, "I don't bathe myself. I don't care."
Yeah.
Alright, we're heading back to the van because I'm tired. We walked a mile. We turned around a little past half a mile. And it's nothing, but I just don't want to walk farther. Plus it was getting muddy. Now the dogs are muddy. And I'm starving, and we're going to go to the buffet. This is neat. Let Blackie jump in there.
Yeah, you're crazy.
It's fresh water.
Looks fresh.
Looks stinky and stale, and there's moss, and
Come on, no, get out of
the little bridge is cool.
there. Look at your feet, Blackie.
I told you. They are muddy. Ain't you, ain't you? Are you muddy? You don't care, huh? It was fun. That's all that matters, huh? Stay back, you're wet.
Yeah, that's gross. Hey.
Alright, Candace is going to go see if we can film in the nature center, and then we're going to go eat. I'll see you guys in a little bit.